Welcome to the closing table. I'm your host, Joseph Foley. Our concept at the closing table is to shrink the gap between Wall Street and Main Street. As an investor, fund, and asset manager, as well as a former luxury real estate broker, keyword former, I played many roles from the buy side to the sell side in real estate. Many of the other outlets project the broker's point of view of the market, where the deals have closed. On a rare occasion, there's a true opinion of the buy side or sell side. It's always the middleman's opinion, however. They rarely inform you why the buyer is buying, or why the seller is selling, or why they're not even participating in deals at all. Here at the closing table, we'll be welcoming many developers, fund managers, consultants, and other real estate executives to discuss their point of view on the market, whether from a macro or micro point of view. Why is this important, you might ask? We'll be hearing from buyers and why they're buying. You'll hear from sellers and why they're selling. You'll be better informed. We'll be discussing private and public deals, as well as strategies for these investments. Real estate investing is not that difficult. It's extremely simple. Do not get me wrong, it can become really complex, but it's not difficult. The barrier to entry is extremely low, which gives us an opportunity to take advantage of those get-rich-quick investors. So why real estate? Real estate changes not only your income stream, but also your wealth. It's not just yours, but also your children and grandchildren's generations of wealth. This is why we have so many real estate families. Some predominant names such as Rockefellers, Durst, Rubens have dominated the real estate industry since the 1800s. Maybe you don't have millions or hundreds of thousands of dollars, but you can still own real estate and reap the benefit. We will discuss these opportunities in multiple options in future segments. Maybe publicly, like a stock or for your retirement plan, or through private investments such as tax lien or crowdsourcing. In any way you want to invest, we will try our best to accommodate you. Here at the closing table, I will do my best to narrow that gap between Wall Street and Main Street. I'm not giving you from a broker's perspective, because all they care about is their commission dollars. Instead, we'll be giving you an actual opinion of buyers, sellers, and other real estate professionals that are not just about the transaction. We're talking about why Blackstone is investing in emerging markets, why China investors are investing in the US, why property developers are growing modular homes in the southeast of America, or why a stock is simply, in our opinion, a buy or a sell. So let me leave you with my theory on real estate. Real estate is a forever changing asset class. There is by no means a one-size-fits-all. People try to make it, but realistically, it's a lagging sector. It's hard to predict with the markets. It's complex for set reasons, but easy all the same. We need to minimize risk by knowing risk. Our number one rule, know your risk. If you can defend the risk, you potentially have the advantage of the competition. Remember, with investing, there's a winning and losing side. Your goal is not to lose. My job is to help you win. And here, at the closing table, we'll educate and talk about how not to lose. Real estate is an adventure. It's an exciting industry. And I hope you enjoy what we bring to you. With that said, thank you for watching the closing table. I'm your host, Joseph Foley. Let's get you to the winning side.